This is the consonant sound chart. It's a guide to use properly pronunciation of consonants. This chart has two divisions. First, the place of the articulation, where have the lips, teeth, alveolus, palate, and throat. And the classification is bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, palatal, velar, and glottal. And the second classification is the manner of articulation, that has two divisions. The first is stop, fricative, and affricate sounds, that has other two divisions that will be voiceless and voiced. Voiceless is when the vocal cords doesn't have vibration, and voiced when the vocal cords vibrate. And the other three are nasal, liquid, and glide sounds. An example of stop sound is the stop alveolar consonant T and D. These consonants has the same articulation. You need to put the tip of your tongue between your teeth and slide backwards your tongue to the airflow exits. But the difference is that the T is a voiceless consonant, so it doesn't have vibration in your vocal cords, and the D is a voiced consonant, so it has vibration. In the fricative sound, we can find the S and Z. This consonant have the same articulation, but the manner of exits the airflow is like a friction. And the S is a voiceless consonant, and the Z is a voiced consonant. In a fricative sound, we have two consonants, and these consonants are a combination between a stop and a fricative sound. So, for example, is that this, that is first the articulate like the T, put the tongue between your things, the tip of your tongue between your teeth, and then slides backwards to permit that the airflow exit. But then immediately you need to articulate like the S, put the tip of your tongue with your alveolus, and permit that the airflow exits with friction. This is one, and this is the other that is similar, the articulation, but the TS is voiceless and the DH is voiced. And finally, we can find the nasal sound, nasal consonant. In this consonant, the organ that you use block the airflow and direct it to the nose. So in this we can find M and two types of N, like this. And all of them are voiced. In all exists the vibration in your vocal cords. Like pedagogical activity, I propose that the students works in pairs, repeating the tongue twisters that I will be show them, and they must to correct the pronunciation to the partner.